Welcome to our second episode of Crypto 101. We have talked about futures trading in the previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, remember to check it out later. Today, we will look into deposit and withdrawal of cryptocurrency in Btcc. You can deposit into Btcc to enjoy two types of futures trading, including USDT, margined and coin, margined perpetual futures. The first one allows you to use USDT to trade futures contracts and settle them in USDT. The second one allows you to use a specific cryptocurrency to trade futures contracts and settle them with the same cryptocurrency. Let's look at our Btcc app interface. We can see there are 4 options under the category of deposit: flat deposit, P2P, crypto deposit, and convert. Flat deposit allows you to deposit USDT into your account with your Visa, MasterCard. Note that USDT is the only type of cryptocurrency that you can buy with this method. This is suitable for those who are new to the crypto world and have not owned any coin yet. P2P is the second method to obtain a cryptocurrency. Flat deposit allows you to buy USDT from Btcc, and P2P allows you to buy USDT, BTC, ETH, SOL from other users. Payment methods are also very flexible, with a total of 5 options for you to choose from, including bank transfer. Crypto deposit is suitable for those who already have crypto in your hands. There are a wide range of cryptocurrency being accepted in deposit. Second step is to choose the type of blockchain your crypto is on. Remember to choose this very carefully. If you choose the wrong one and proceed to transfer, you may lose your assets. Last step is to use your own wallet to transfer crypto into the address on the right-hand side. Then you should see them in your Btcc wallet. Convert is a function to exchange your crypto into other types of cryptocurrency. Enter the 2 types of cryptocurrencies first, then select the amount you want to transfer. Below is the transfer rate that you can refer to. After knowing how to deposit, how to withdraw them after you earn some profit is also important. Withdrawal page could be found under the asset category. Then the procedure is similar to deposit. Select your withdrawal currency, blockchain, address and platform, and the withdrawal amount. Then you are good to go. If you are encountering any problem in the process, please let us know in the comments section. Happy trading!